Hello guys! Today we're bringing you ways you can make money online. Before we begin, be sure to take a second to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, as a disclaimer, we are in no way affiliated to any names we'll be mentioning. Number 1. Freelancing. There are numerous freelancing sites where you can offer your expertise, such as on Fiverr or freelancer.com. It can be anything from graphic design to translation to content writing. Number 2. Test websites and apps. Sites such as usertesting.com will pay you for your opinions on how well a certain website or app works. Number 3. Take surveys. Surveys will bring you some cash for sure, but don't expect to be rolling in money. Survey sites don't typically give huge paydays, but it's still a nice way to earn some extra cash. Some of these sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Number 4. Tutor Online. Tutor your expertise. English, accounting, maybe even teach a skill. Listed on various sites such as tutor.com or good old Craigslist. Number 5. Dropshipping. This would require a little more effort than the others, but it has potential to earn more. Starting a dropshipping business is ideal for folks with little capital. Number 6. Sell your unused stuff. Start decluttering. List your old or unused stuff online for sale and get some cash back from them. Number 7. Cashback sites. Speaking of cashback, use cashback rebate sites to get some money back from your online shopping. It's an effortless way to make some pocket money, and hey, every cent counts, right? Number 8. Publish an eBook. Is writing your cup of tea? You can self-publish your ebook on Amazon Direct Publishing. It takes less than 5 minutes to publish, and your book appears worldwide on the Kindle eStore. Earn up to 70% royalty on customers from countries such as the UK, the US, Australia, and more. Number 9. Be a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant entrepreneurs support with administrative work that they're too busy to handle themselves. Of course, for this, you'll need good communication skills and some Microsoft Office capabilities. List your services on sites such as elance.com. Number 10. Paid-to-click sites. These sites offer you money just to click on advertisements. Be aware, though, as not all are genuine. That concludes our video today. We hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Once again, please like and subscribe.